This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Miller. Vacant and move-in ready luxury 2-story townhome located just minutes to UF Health and VA Hospital. Freshly painted throughout, and new carpet has just been installed in all bedrooms and stairway. Newer construction provides all the best design elements. Enter into the spacious living/dining area, which is open to the gourmet kitchen, boasting wood cabinets with granite countertops and breakfast bar, upgraded appliances and a large pantry. Beautiful ceramic tile floors flow through the living/dining area and kitchen. The first level also includes a study/office/3RD bedroom with its own private full bath with walk-in shower and closet. French doors lead out to your private screened porch with storage area. Upstairs you will find 2 master suites, each with their own private ensuite baths with tub/shower combination and tile floors. Abundant storage is provided by double closets in each bedroom. And, your own laundry room, with washer and dryer included. A sparkling neighborhood pool is available for you to enjoy. Bus service is available to campus, and the community is conveniently located near many shopping, dining, and entertainment options in Butler Plaza and Celebration Pointe. Welcome home to Chase Hollow. For more information, review the details below.